Good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, February 20th, if you can see that. Currently we have about 20 minutes until market open. Market opens at 6:30 here Pacific Standard Time, so just going to kind of try and be reactive today. There is a lot of predictions right now on the market. SPY is currently very close to all-time high. Yesterday we actually hit an all-time high at, I believe, 613. So currently, I think at pre-market, SPY is sitting at 611. So we're at a pretty interesting time right now. I see a lot of predictions, people saying, oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. Me personally, I'm just going to be reactive. I'm just going to try and identify levels and then just see momentum, see price action, and just try to catch a quick scalp. I did actually catch a quick move on Palantir yesterday. Before market close, they tanked because the CEO sold about 1.2 billion of the share. So I caught a little bit of that move for about a $300 profit in total. So that was cool. Hopefully today we can have a good movement as well. I'll catch you on the charts. All right, so if you can see Palantir here, this is the chart as of yesterday. So pretty crazy move there at the end of the day. Right before market close in less than 30 minutes, we went from 124 at the highs and just sank all the way down to the lowest at 108. So the part of the move that I caught was between 114 here to 112. And that's what made me that $300. Imagine if we would have just hopped in right here and rode it all the way down. We're going to be kind of mindful of that. 608 is the bottom level that I have here. We're going to watch and just kind of try and be reactive towards it today, see what's going on. By the way, peep the new setup. Check it out. What do you think? Still working on it. This is going to be like a temporary setup. The goal is to eventually get second, so like 2 screens, maybe one above. But this is a good start, I feel like. So you can see Meta has been tanking too. It was at a high of about 740 here. Just teetering right there. And currently, I mean, pre-market, we're sitting at 699. This is less than 3 days in total for a move like that, about a $40 move. All right, so we have about 1 minute until market open. I am currently already looking at Palantir puts. It's fallen like $4 more since 10 minutes. Pre-market move is already below what I was looking at for the bottom. So as soon as we open up here, I think let's see, we may try and go for a couple positions here. This is crazy. Look at this. Like, what is this price action? Go for 8 contracts. Now we may just stay choppy and just kind of retain this 103, 100 level maybe. We may bottom out at 100. Not quite sure. This could be a fake breakout though. Alright. Let's see, am I going to get caught here doing it too early? You're going to sell. I'm scared, so we're doing all 8. $80. Quick. I'll take $80 in 2 minutes. I'm still below my $100 a day target, so let's watch and see what happens here. Curious to see how Meta closes this 5-minute candle. Looks like we're going to be up quite a bit. So that looks kind of bullish. So look at this candle. Okay, so Meta's looking pretty bullish. That's a good move. Can't say no to something like that. So we're going to try and watch Meta here. These are going to be my only 2 moves for today. I just hope this continues to run up. So this would put me at my $100 a day target, but I think that this still has potential to run up. I'm going to get in a selling position so I can sell for hopefully $750. Oh, look at this. The hands are starting to shake again. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is exactly where we want to be, and I'm out. I'm out. Let's go. That's a good move. That is a good move for the day. Realized profit on that. Well, you can see that 240. Hands are shaking. And just so you can see, we're also watching on the computer too. So this is the chart. Check this out. Hopped in right about here, 700 level. And we caught this move perfectly. Look at that, beautifully. Red candle just opening up there, but it's looking good. All right, so it is currently 6:38. 8 minutes after market open. I'm all out for today. Up over about I'm up about $330 currently. So that's a good move for today. I did a small move on Palantir. Just very much dipped my foot in the water. About $80 profit. And then Meta, we caught a good move. We watched that candle and it just blew out of the water upwards. Hopped in a good position there. Let it run. So if I would have put all my capital into that at first, we'd be up even more. But I'm definitely happy with the move for today. So hopefully you can see what I just threw on the screen of the realized profit. I'm going to start to get ready to head to work now. I'll see y'all. All right, so we are on our way to work. I love how I always say we. I don't know if I should say we or I'm on my way to work. Excuse my voice. I got a little bit of congestion this morning, so I know I sound like horrible, but yeah, so we did some good moves today. About 2 plays, one on Palantir, one on Meta. I'm very happy with both of those results. Hopefully you guys made money today as well. The cool thing about options is that we make money to the upside and we can make money to the downside as well. So yesterday I made some good money to the downside of Palantir. Today we played a little position to the upside of Palantir, and so yeah, pretty happy with that overall. Options are so great because yes, the risk is you know, you're taking a large amount of risk and there's a lot more volatility in it. However, you know, as long as you can accept that and you can manage your risk well and kind of know your targets, then you can actually set yourself up for a pretty good move. I mean, Palantir only needed to move $2 yesterday for me to make almost $400 in profit. So, you know, that's just the blessing of options, is you can really multiply your profits, you know, through it. I encourage anybody that is curious or wants to know how to do options, you know, what do I do? How do I get started? You can definitely contact me. I'll put my information here. You can contact me. I can kind of try and walk you through step by step how I do it. I do it on Robinhood, and I can just kind of maybe hopefully help you out, understand a little bit more about how it works and how to make your first couple plays. I am not a financial advisor, so if you lose money, that's not on me. But I can definitely tell you, you know, hopefully help you out if you don't know, you know, exactly what to do, or if you want somewhere to start. I'm gonna head to work, and I'll see y'all there. All right, so check this out. I was on my way to work, and I noticed Palantir just continued to drop. If you remember, we were at like 104 this morning. That's when I made my move. I saw it was already below $100, so I hopped in a quick scalp. I'll pop that up on the screen now, but we came out with like $80 profit, so I'll take that literally driving to work. I had like 500 bucks of buying power left, and so now we're pretty much expended for the day. So very happy with that. You never know. That's why I always have your price alerts on, because that's what made me money yesterday too. I just saw, oh my goodness, it's dropped below 100 bucks. So let's hop in. I think currently we're sitting at like $95. So I encourage anybody, if you're watching this video and the Palantir is still at this level, this is a good position to hop in longs. If you want to do something like leaps, this is definitely a good move for something like that. But yeah, I'll just want to tap in real quick. Alright, so I'm here on lunch. You can see I got 3 sauces ready. The 4th one tucked just in case I may need it. But yeah, we're going to kind of dig in, enjoy this weather. It is like super sunny out and just beautiful. I think it's like 70 degrees or something. So I'm just going to enjoy it. I just want to kind of chat real quick, mention a few things. So I intake a lot of information about the market. I try and just fully consume myself with it. Pretty much my entire For You page on YouTube, or if I pop into anything, it's just trading information. And it's so interesting to me because there's just such an influx of information, and there's so many different contrary opinions. Somebody may say, oh, the stock's going to go up because of this reason, and then somebody else is going to say, oh, you know what, the stock is going to go down because of this reason. And so what I would say is, if you're like me, a beginner trader, you have to kind of take everything with a grain of salt and realize, hey, listen, this comes with risk regardless. If I'm gonna put my foot into this, this is gonna come with a risk. And so I'm like a real physical learner. And what I've learned is, you know what, instead of trying to predict this and predict that, when it comes to scalping in particular, which is what I'm trying to do, I'm just going to be reactive. That's it. I'm just going to set my levels. I would say number one is just set your key levels. Know the levels of where the stock is, where it was, and where it has been. And follow those levels. Just be real reactive. That's really the best way I can put it. Being reactive is always been the best for me. Pretty much any time I've gotten myself in a pinch or taken a loss is because I tried to predict it, and the prediction wasn't accurate. So that's a part of trading as well. But so far, my biggest success has just been by simply being reactive. So that's my best recommendation. If you wonder and you ask yourself, well, Noah, what does being reactive mean? What I would say is you watch the stock and you wait to see price action, which is like a heavy movement, the volume increase, whether it be to the upside or the downside. So whatever stock is trending and it's hot and everybody's buying and selling and moving, that's when you hop on, you watch the levels, and you got to just execute. Just get in and get out. Be surgical with it. So that's what we did today on Palantir. Very happy with our results for today. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you after work. Whew, I'm tired. Yo, what's up? Sorry I'm recording this from my phone, but I'm off work now. It was a pretty long day. It was a couple of difficult instances today, but we got through it. So I'm headed over to the church, gonna get some prayer in after work. I wasn't able to go this morning or on my lunch, so I'm gonna make the time to do it afterwards. And then after that, I'll be headed home, and we'll catch up. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so if you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thanks for watching. This is going to be the end of this today's trading day, kind of day in the life trading on a Thursday. We have a pretty big day. Fridays are always big days, so we're going to hope for a good move. If I do make any sort of big move, I will record it and let y'all know. If you have any comments on this video, anything you'd like to see, please feel free to leave it down below. I do appreciate all the support. Leave a like if you like this video. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.